Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. How to install Tamasha app in PC. So let's get started. First thing first, open the Google and search Tamasha app. You can see official website. Click on it. You can see three dot top right corner. Scroll down. Install. Click on it. You can see install the app. If you find this video helpful, make sure hit the like button and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.